Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the HA15 UHE. So compact, ultralight, and powerful headlamp. It's perfect for all your outdoor adventures, DIY projects, or if you just need a reliable hand-free flashlight. With its impressive 400 lumen for its size, this headlamp can light up your path and make you see clearly. What makes this headlamp is even more special is the multi-purpose clip, which can be attached to your headlamp and turn it into a regular flashlight that can be attached to your backpack, your hat, due to its small, very light size. And the second feature, that it's powered by a rechargeable or a regular AA battery, which make it more versatile for all your events. We'll talk about that in more details later in the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you get our videos as soon as we upload them. With its ultra-high efficiency LED system and optical matrix lens, assuring high performance, and a 400 lumen max brightness, and an impressive 87-yard throw, it's really hard to beat for a headlamp of this size. This headlamp is not just bright and super light, but it's also durable. So whether you drop in while camping, or you get caught in the rain, the HA15 UHE can handle it. With its IP66, which is dust-proof and water-resisting, and it can even survive a drop from 3 feet, which make it a perfect companion for outdoor activities that's rough on gear. The HA15 UHE is super light, meaning you can wear it all day without straining your neck. Being a backpacker or a hiker, you understand that every ounce counts. And this little headlamp weighs only 1.5 ounces. And with its adjustable headband that sits comfortably on different head sizes. And the material is breathable to keep you cool. And on top of that, it's tiltable 90 degrees both direction, up and down, so the light goes exactly where you want it to go. Whether you're reading a map or you just want to shine it to the trees, this headlamp can do it. Clip it, flip it, wear it your way. This versatile multi-purpose clip lets you attach your light to your backpack, your hat, or anywhere you need a hand-free glow. So light up your night, no matter what's your adventure. And now let's talk battery, because that's what makes the HA15 UHE very special. Because it's powered by a rechargeable battery, or you can use the regular AA battery. For a unique blend between versatility and convenience, which make it an excellent choice for a variety of situations. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, or emergency preparer, or someone who just needs a reliable flashlight for daily tasks, this dual compatibility can make a significant difference on how to use the light or to manage your power source. Let's dive into how each type of battery, rechargeable or regular AA battery, benefit the flashlight, and how this flexibility is incredibly helpful. A rechargeable battery can provide more consistent voltage throughout their use, which can typically handle more power demand, more efficiency, and also means a long runtime, as rechargeable battery can provide the necessary energy without degrading quickly. The included NL1411R battery makes the headlamp rechargeable with its built-in USB Type-C charge port. One of the biggest advantages of regular AA battery is availability. You can find AA batteries almost anywhere. Grocery store, convenience store, and even gas stations. In an emergency situation, or you're on the go and you don't have access to charge your battery, a AA battery can come really handy. However, the 400 lumen max brightness will be unavailable using the regular AA battery. Let's talk about performance and what this little headlamp can do. In the high mode, 400 lumen of maximum brightness when you need it the most. That can reach more than 85 yards throw and can run for up to 3.5 hours. The medium mode gives you 200 lumens to light up your surrounding without draining your battery too quickly, and it can run up to 5 hours. The low mode gives you 100 lumens for when you want a steady light for a task that doesn't require the brightest setting, and it can run for up to 10.5 hours. And the ultra low mode that gives you 8 lumen for a soft glow and extended runtime that can run up to 114 hours. And the SOS mode that shines with 200 lumens, and the beacon mode that's also shines with 200 lumens. And we have the red light, ideal for preserving your night vision or using the headlamp without disturbing your environment. The high mode gives you 15 lumens for up to 10 hours, and the low mode gives you 5 lumens for up to 25 hours. And the slow flashing red light gives you 15 lumens. It's great for signaling for help or increasing visibility, as the slow flashing red light can be easily seen from a distance. Now let's go to what's in the box. So you'll get the NL1411R rechargeable battery, the multi-purpose clip, which comes very handy if you want to attach it to your backpack or even your hat, the diffusing stuff sack, which is one of my favorite because it turns your headlamp into a lantern that gives you that soft light, and the adjustable headband that fit comfortably on different head sizes, and the material is breathable so it will keep you cool. And of course the star of the show, the headlamp. So let's jump into the operation guide and see what this little thing can do. So by pressing the power button for half a second, you'll turn it on low. Pressing the power button, that will cycle through all the power output. You have mid and high. And if you want to get to the ultra low, all you need to do is from the headlamp being off, double tap the power button, and that will get you to the ultra low. Pressing the power button again, you'll get regular lighting, which is low, mid, and high. If you want to get to the special modes, all you need to do is press the mode button twice. That will get you to the SOS. Pressing the power button will cycle through all the modes, which is beacon and slow flashing red. Pressing one more time, you're back to SOS. And by pressing the mode button twice, get back to the main lighting. By pressing the mode button once, you'll get to the red light, which starts on low. By pressing the power button, you will get to high red. And pressing it again, you're back to red low. And if you want to turn it off, simply just press the power button for half a second and it's off. Why should get the HA15 UHE? Maybe for its small size that's very compact, or the lightweight that weighs only 1.5 ounces, yet powerful enough to produce 400 lumen of max brightness. That's more than enough to bright your path. Or maybe for the multi-purpose clip that easily can be attached to your hat, your backpack, or anywhere that you need a hand-free light. Or the fact that it can be powered by a rechargeable battery or a regular AA battery, which offer a unique blend between a versatility and convenience, and would make it an excellent choice for a variety of situations. And that's what makes the HA15 UHE the headlamp that can keep going even when you can't. Thank you guys for watching. If you use the HA15 UHE, or are you planning on getting one in the future, let us know in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.